incognito with the left. Yeah, suck. Specchimento, Simonita.
I hope you got an extra mic and a fireproof booth, cause you know I'm known to melt a wire too. You need a fire engineer when I lay this blaze. I melt down tracks, stacks, reels and slaves. Hit the studio, jars of dro, bars to blow. BC go with that arsenic flow. Fuck that, don't hold me back. I roll with crack. Y'all cats told Mac the rap. Y'all don't realize y'all released the beast untamed. Speech all flame, streets y'all blame.
Yeah, I ain't even got to tell her to put the hot sauce on there. She put it on there regardless. She know what Nah, the fish though, look at the fish though. Nah, Yo, no, nah, look, the fish is fire though. It's not even...
Nigga, the truth. Every time I step in the booth, I speak the truth. Y'all know what I'm bringing to you. I bring the truth. You motherfuckers know who I be. I be the truth. When I speak, sell, set you free. Nigga, the truth. Every time I step in the booth, I speak the truth. Y'all know what I'm bringing to you.
We about to get busy.
You motherfuckers know who I be. I be the truth. When I speak, sell, set you free. Ain't nothing changed with Zeke. I'm still stuck in the kitchen. So what I'm sorry, that's fine. Still stuck in position. You motherfuckers know me well. Couple court cases from jail. Couple 404 shells from hell. Stuck on this mission. Go home, my girl fussing.
That fish tastes like it's from Alaska. So yams is like a black person's plátanos, right? That's what it's equivalent to. That's what it's like. That's what it's like. That's what it's like vibing like. Because you got the sweet plátanos and you got the plátanos.
It's a maduro. It's like the maduro.
Yeah, this is the maduro.
You niggas know what block I'm on. Block and pawn. You wanna get shot, karate chop, Lord stand this whole nigga.
Yeah, we are feeding the people.
Let's get it.
How that grow?
I got some fish, hot sauce. Yeah, this is like plátanos right here. This is like some good. Oh, this is. I got some candy yams too. The candy yams edition.
Shut the fuck up. Can't take them anywhere. Put a couple of yams in front of me, you don't shut the fuck up. Eat and shut the fuck up.
Yeah. Dude, that's just hitting. You heard? Them candy yams is hitting. Them seagull yams.
Yeah.
That's like them seagull yams.
Oh, shit.
Hey,
Wow.
yo.
Yeah, man. Good one.
That's good. Very good.
Speak what I talk. You got to lay where I laid, stay where I stayed, play where I played.